How's it going, everybody? It's Christian L here with Eat Like an Apex. This afternoon we are in San Francisco, California, and we're checking out a place called Ari's Korean Street Food. Ari's Korean Street Food is located in downtown San Francisco. Absolutely a recommended place, and we're excited to try Ari's Korean Street Food here on this channel, showcasing their Korean street food from fried chicken to bimbimbap. We'll see what they have to offer, so I'm excited to show you this video of Ari's today. But that's it. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, hope you find time to subscribe. I greatly appreciate that, and I'm going to show you everything in this video right now. Nestled like on Larkin Street. You see here the shop, bunch of artwork on their store that yeah, actually looks pretty colorful. I actually really like it a lot. But there's the Ari's Korean tapas. Alright. Yellow.
I'll show you things right now.
You wanna say hi? Hello. She was welcoming us into the shop. Thank you.
Thank you guys, you're welcome.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
What is Ari's Korean street food? What do you serve?
Korean fried chicken,
The,
Gangjung fried chicken.
as Korean food.
Yeah.
Yeah, so Korean street food. And so this is Roxana. She's the general manager for Ari's Korean Street Food in San Francisco, right? Okay, so pleasure to meet you. Thank you. So the team of Ari's, they're preparing the chicken, some French fries, and this is where everything's done here.
Levántame la primera, Marín. Levántame acá. Levántame.
They're preparing it from the deep fryer. The chicken, I think the chicken is like one of the main things they serve here. Deep fry it, they plate it.
On the side, we got the kimbap, kimchi fried rice.
So a really tight spot to work. You can see here they are definitely working it out as they prepare the food. Smells great, looks wonderful. Excited to try Ari's Korean Street Food for you today.
You have the combo A, kimchi fried rice, Bulgogi Rice Bowl, Bulgogi Fries, the chicken rice bowl.
Oh, okay, so Roxana's doing an awesome job here. Like I said, it's not very big, but they have a wonderful team getting the food out to the community in San Francisco. Oh yeah. Saucy. Oh. So these guys are like skillfully preparing the food, hammering it, going to town. Like they know what they're doing. Just get out the way because like they are getting to work preparing some awesome fried chicken, awesome Korean street food. Thank you to Daniela
You're welcome, guys.
and the team here doing a good job.
All the team.
And the team.
They're really nice always.
Oh, wow. We're gonna get the food here, try it out, but I just want to say thank you to Roxana, to Charlie, and the team here at Ari's Korean Street Food. Thank you so much.
Thank you for coming.
You guys are doing amazing things here in San Francisco. So thank you so much to Roxana and the team here. All right, so, whoo, we got the food to go, and we're gonna take the food because right now there isn't any indoor dining. At the same time, I don't think they even had indoor dining. There's no chairs in there, so I think this is strictly like a to-go street food spot. You take your food, you order it at the front there, and you take it to go. Yeah, so we're taking the food, bringing it back to the house where we're gonna try Ari's Korean Street Food. Alright, first thing I'm gonna go ahead and try is the Bulgogi Kimbap Korean sushi rolls. And you can see that bulgogi in the inside, that rice, that radish, some carrots, and maybe a piece of tofu maybe, and that's seaweed wrap. I know there's a few sauce items there. Matter of fact, let me pop those open just in case. So, it's like a Korean sauce right there. Sweet sauce, that looks like a pineapple sauce, and a creamy sriracha mayo sauce. And then you have this green, maybe a mint sauce, and some maybe a sesame sauce. Go back to the bulgogi sushi rolls. I'm gonna give that a bite just as is. First bite here at Ari's Korean Street Food. And bite. Oh wow. I like the snap from the radishes in there, but then you have that bulgogi meat. This makes it completely different than like sushi rolls. You have the Korean style bulgogi beef inside of it. I believe that's like tofu, that radish, some carrots and the rice, and the seaweed. Wow, that certainly is filling. I've had these before, and I want to try something that I haven't had. These are the tacos, and this place has a trio of tacos. These are the homies 3 Korean Mexican taco sampler. You have the Korean fried chicken taco, a Gangjung fried chicken taco, and a bulgogi beef taco. But let me go ahead and try that. Yeah, I'll pick it up. Let me just grab this one here. Wow. That, you can just see how this loaded that is. And a green sauce. Wow, all right, and bite. Wow, I can taste some spice in that taco there. Yeah, I think that green sauce has a little bit of chili in it. That absolutely is crunchy. The fried chicken goes great in a taco. They added the purple cabbage with it too. The healthy portion of this meal here. Okay, this may be the gangjung. Immediately it's sticky, and so you know that's gonna be the sweet version too. The other one was just a fried chicken one, and this is the sweet one. I'm gonna go ahead and use that creamy sriracha sauce. Oh yeah, okay, boom, that's perfect right there. And bite. That is a sweet version, opposed to the original fried chicken one. But I like that mix of the sweet contrast. But then you have that creamy sriracha I just used there. It goes great with that. I'm a big fan of the creamy sriracha, spice kick to it. Yeah, the Korean street tacos. I'm not sure if something that's original from their spot or it's something they utilize there in Korea, but that is fantastic. I love that play on with the sweet sauce with the fried chicken batter. That's fantastic. Okay, last thing in this plate here, I'm just gonna grab that. Oh wow, this is yeah, you're gonna get messy here, and it's like loaded. This is not like a light taco. Like they have just like loaded this up. Wow, that is just open face bulgogi, creamy sriracha on top, taco, and then purple cabbage, maybe some scallions. And I'm not gonna add any sauce on this one here, so I'm gonna take just a bite of that just as is, and bite. Oh yeah, oh. That's like another play on your beef taco. Korean style bulgogi. It's been marinated slightly sweet, and then you have the creamy sriracha that gives it some spice to it.
What's good? Empower.
So this is the Korean kimchi fried rice bowl that they have. I am looking forward to trying this here because I'm a big fan of kimchi fried rice. I've had it made for me, homemade, and at a few restaurants. Now I'm gonna try it here at Rice. I'm gonna go ahead and just like get some of that rice. Get some of that rice on the nice, pretty white plate, and then I will grab a chicken. Okay, I think that's good right there. And then I will like have some of that egg, like perfectly like circular. Cut that quick, okay? Yeah. I'm gonna try that rice first, then chase it with the chicken, and then lastly the eggs. Okay, here we go. All right, and bite. Okay. Oh yeah. If you've ever had kimchi before, you just know that fermented cabbage is laid on that rice, and then you have those flavors from it, coupled with that fried chicken and the egg. Oh yeah, that's good. Another bite of this here. Yeah, kimchi fried rice. Oh, and it comes with a little gyoza. Okay, I want to try this sauce right here. Oh yeah, check that out. Okay, and bite. Oh, that is a mint sauce. Oh, love that. So this one is called the Bulgogi Rice Bowl with fresh ribeye marinated garlic soy. It comes with the white rice this time, with a yolky, look at that yolky egg, that rawness of the egg, look at that. I'm good with that, I am good with that. And then you have that bulgogi beef. So let me get some of that rice first. Oh, and then check out kimchi too. Let me take a bite of that real quick. The iconic kimchi. We had a kimchi fried rice, and this is the kimchi. All right, and bite. Oh yeah, kimchi. Yeah, fantastic healthy addition. Okay, get some out of rice, and then I'll chase it with a piece of beef, and then I'll chase it with the entire egg. And bite. Oh, wow, with some beef. Okay, bulgogi beef. Oh wow. Wow. Okay. That egg. Here we go. That's the yolky and the egg.
Apex.
Oh, that egg was really yolky. Awesome. Okay, immediately, what sticks out about this is you get that bulgogi in pieces of strips, and it almost reminds me of like beef jerky for some reason. Not the texture of it, not the true texture, but just like the flavor, that sweet beef jerky. Yeah, absolutely. A filling rice bowl. I guarantee if you get one of these like rice bowls, like you're done for lunch. Like that's all you really need. I like that beef. And that egg. Yeah, I'm a big fan of the egg yolk. These are the bulgogi fries. I was gonna do some sauce add-ons, but as you saw, I seen her as she like laid those fries down and then that beef, and then she just like lathered it with the cheese and that sauce. 4 types of sauce, just drizzled it onto the fries. And this is a very, very saucy bulgogi fry dish. It still looks and smells amazing, and I know it's gonna taste amazing too. So I'm gonna get some of those fries. Yeah, oh man. Ooh, okay, that's a lot. These are the bulgogi fries, and bite. That is sweet. I love that play on with the beef bulgogi, because you get the sweetness from the bulgogi, and then you have the sweet, like different layers of the sauce. But those fries, may have been a little bit too long in eating it because the fries are, that texture is still good, but it's not as crispy as I would like. I think a like fry dish, if you ever have it, you want to eat that kind of right away, because then it wouldn't have the same texture if you left it waiting. Like we took it home, so it was waiting for a minute. So it isn't as crispy as it should be, but it's still good. It's savory and sweet. Yeah, on the cheese, don't discount the cheese too. I think that cheese also plays a remarkable role in making it so flavorful. Okay. This one right here is the KFC Rice Bowl with KFC. 4 pieces of it, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it has a fried dumpling, and then you have a fried egg. Oh, that yolky egg again, nice. And then the rice on the bottom, like a big chunk of chicken. It's like chunk, that's all I can think of. And dip. Ooh. Oh, that looks sweet. You can just tell it's sweet because once I kind of grip it, and then you see it just sticking to the chicken. And that's that syrupiness, but not very much. And then you add some chili seeds on there, so maybe a little bit of spice. But I'm guessing it's a sesame glazed teriyaki chili based sauce. Okay, and bite. The thing about this place, she said it too, they specialize in the chicken, the fried chicken. They are like masters at making a fried chicken. That Korean fried chicken, wow. Okay, I'm gonna chase it with the rice, because that chicken kind of overpowered the sauce. But let me try her. Oh. Yeah, it's almost like a teriyaki, like sesame chili sauce on the sweeter end. All right, there's one more dish, and this is the final like mother load. So you have the KFC, the Korean fried chicken, and then you have this one right here, with the red glaze, Gangjung fried chicken. Well, let me go ahead and grab that Gangjung fried chicken. No sauce needed because, I mean, look at that, it's just like saucy already. Okay, and bite. Oh wow, this is like a party platter. This is something you want to bring to your friend's party. KFC chicken and that Gangjung fried chicken. People are gonna love you. Oh yeah, that's sweet. You just know it's gonna be sweet already. Yeah, look at that. That is just thick glop of like sweetness. Like they're sweet. And bite. That's a sweet pineapple. That is the like a meal there. Family style. They certainly know how to hook it up. This was Araya's Korean street food. Grab a bite to eat over there because they got some good street food, Korean street food if you're looking looking for something like that. With that said, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I greatly appreciate that. Peace out. One love. Late. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. Later. Grab your free guide to becoming the Apex. Strategies on how to grow on YouTube today. Link in the description.